Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I have a small thrift haul. I will probably end up doing like 2 thrift hauls together at the end of this since this is so small. But I am gonna go out and film some smalls painting today, I think, and may work on 2 of my bigger projects out in the garage. We have nice weather today, so let's get into this so I can get to work. I just hit one thrift store after an appointment this week, and after weeks of not finding anything to flip, I found a few things. Nothing like, oh my word, or just enough that I've got a few things I can do up and get into the store this week. So first thing I found was this candlestick. I've been having a hard time finding decently priced candlesticks. They've definitely jumped up in price as of recently. And this is just like a hand-turned piece. It's really cute. I got this for $1, which was a fabulous, almost like yard sale type price. I got 2 little, one is restaurant wear, and it's buffalo. This was 75 cents. Although I think this was half off the day I went. The color of tag. It's a buffalo. I got this one. It's just a piece of, why can't I think today? Help me out, people. Ironstone, just a simple piece of ironstone. That one was 50 cents. I got a cutting board, and I will flip this. This was $2.50, a little bit higher than what I like to pay for them. I will sand down all of the cut marks. Use a food safe stain. I don't even know what else I'll do, but maybe just leave it as is. I don't know. The shape's really cute. The size is really cute as well. I got this little bird. The top feels to be, it's metal. I think it's metal. Painted. It's actually really cute. I paid $3.50 for it, but honestly, I think I was just going to wash it up and then resell it, but I'm seeing some scuff, so I will probably go ahead and get that painted and then throw it in the store. This little bell was $1.50. This is going to get painted black and maybe have some gold accenting on it, but I'm going to keep this pretty simple. It's just a little bell. Thought it'd be perfect for Christmas time. I got this little organizer. I love doing these for flips. This was $3.50. These have in the past sold really well for me. It already has the hanging hardware on it. I may end up switching this though to a different style. This was $3.50. I really like the little accents on the corner that go with the little hooks. And I honestly may leave this and just do some stenciling in black to match the black hooks and the hardware. I kind of like the tonality isn't too orange. I know it's coming up kind of orange in the film, but it's really not. It's actually more of a really nice brown. And then last but not least today, we found this shelf. This was $2.50, and it's got 2 little hooks up here, which seem to be kind of a weird place. You can see the screws they have in it already for screwing it into the wall. Just a couple little shelves for your little knickknacks. This will get painted and distressed back. It's a real simple little piece, but these tend to do okay for me too. And it's definitely a heavier wood, so I'm pretty sure this is some good oak on there. And that's it. Didn't find too much, but enough that I actually felt okay when I left the thrift store. I'm hoping to get out for a little bit today. And then, like I said, I got some painting and some things I want to get done to these pieces here. So keep watching and like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Hi everyone, I'm back with the rest of the thrift haul. I told you guys I was going to run up to the thrift store and I scored. Very happy with what I got. Let me show you the stuff on the floor here first. We found 2 of these with the wood lids. These were $3.50 each. They can sit, I can't even move that, upright or at an angle. Those will get painted lids, maybe a transfer on them. I haven't decided yet. I got these little tile pieces. I'm going to do make some magnets with these. I'm not sure what I'm putting on them yet, but they will be magnets most likely for the upcoming holidays. I found this cute little basket. It was $1. Oh, these were $1.75. This was $1. I'm going to actually brown wax on here or antiquing wax to see if we can darken that up a little bit and make it look a little bit more aged. Otherwise, I really like that. It's cute. And we got a very large candlestick for $4.50. This will get painted up. And a little cloche. It even has, can you see the hook in there? If it was $2.50 for this, this will get painted along with the knob. And I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that little hook in there or not yet. And then, last but not least, from Redbox. This is a heavy duty, really nice one. This was $8, which is a lot more than I typically pay, but this is huge. It's in good condition. Nothing wrong with it at all. I really like it. That will get painted, and then some sort of stenciling or maybe even a transfer. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do with this one. And I think that's it. But while I have you guys on here, let me show you a few of the items of my smalls that we finished. I have this little cow in a cart. It's been a while since I thrifted this. So he got some gray chalk paint on him. And then if you can tell, it's a little distressed in there. I have paint on me. But it's a little distressed. And he is going to go into the store just as is. And then this rooster, I was going to paint over him. Maybe I will still dry brush, but I actually really like how he looks black. So I may just leave him black. He looks kind of regal. We have this male catch-all. I just added some transfers to this, some boho transfers, and left it wood, and they already had the little details on the edges. This bell, I took off the jute that was on it and spray painted this one black matte and then added the buffalo check ribbon. Another catch-all, and this one is obviously teal and distressed, and this one's ready to go. And one more like key holder, knick-knack holder for your front entryway. I think it goes this way because the screw holes to attach to the wall are on top, but I don't know. It definitely, I don't know. It's a little different than what I've seen for in the past, but your keys could definitely fit on there. And this is just white with some distressed edges on there. And that is everything. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time.